What's up? Hi, how are you? My ear itches. Ow. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a Broke Girls channel. So, as you can see by the title of this video, today I'm going to be following a Jackie Aina tutorial or whatever. I've been seeing this trend go around. Actually, Thomas Halbert started it. I actually watched Thomas Halbert like religiously, so I know he started it because I saw the video he posted and it was the first one of its kind. So yeah. I know that my setup looks totally different. It's because I'm not filming in my beauty studio or my beauty room. I'm literally sitting on my bed. I have my ring light and my phone propped in my ring light. That's where we are right now. Yeah, so part of the reason for the setup change is one, my laptop is broken and I can't edit from my camera to my computer anymore because I don't have a computer. I'm literally editing off my phone. Two, I feel so much more comfortable in here. I really do. I feel way more comfortable filming in my room with just a table sitting in front of me and talking shit to my phone. Like, this just feels so much better than sitting in my beauty studio with my background and everything. This feels, oh fuck, this feels good. It feels super good. So that's another reason why we're in here. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. They're always linked down below in the description box, so follow me on all of those. Be sure to check out my last video. It's a vlog. I'm definitely letting you guys know how broke I am and how real it is being a broke ass bitch living in Houston, Texas, trying to make it on her own, okay? It's clearly stated in the vlog I just posted, so make sure you go watch that. It's my last video. Go check that out. While you over there, check out all my other videos. Go ahead, check all of that out. Yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look and you want to see me follow a Jackie Aina tutorial, then just keep on watching. Hi! Oh my god, I look a crusty ass mess, boy. What's good? Welcome back to your favorite broke bitches channel. What's up? So I'm going to be following a beauty guru's makeup tutorial today. I chose Jackie Aina. One, because we're both African American. Two, I love her. I watch every single one of her videos. Every single one. We both have acne scars. We both have oily skin. And we both love makeup. I just figured 2 and 2, you. So I'm going to be following one of her makeup tutorials today. I can't do the super cool thing where you put like the video on the screen because one, my laptop is broken. Two, I don't know how to do that. Three, I'm editing everything off of my phone now because my laptop is broken. So I'm really, really sorry. That's also part of the reason the setup is in my room. I watch YouTube on my TV. So I have like her video on my TV in front of me. And I'm going to be watching it as attempt to follow this makeup tutorial. So I'm super, super sorry that I can't put it on the screen. I literally suck ass. Sorry. But I'm working on getting a new laptop. I also talk about that in my blog that I just posted.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jackie O. Jackie.
Really love her.
All 6 of these shades. Not really, but kind of. This is actually
just so that y'all know I'm not lying.
Radiant Creamy Concealer line. And the first time I got to work with them.
Also, disclaimer, I'm broke. So she's probably going to be using like hella high-end products. And I'm going to use the closest thing I have. But a bitch is broke. Okay. I don't got no money.
I'll let a couple scars here and there stop you from being great. Sheer Glow right now is like one of my all-time favorite foundations in life. So I'm going to
use Fenty because this is one of my favorite foundations ever. She skips priming. So we're going to skip priming. How are you applying this? If I'm not mistaken, she applies her foundations with a brush. I'm like pretty sure she does. I watch her literally.
I didn't realize how like no wonder y'all always talk about me wearing Macau. I was hesitant to try for years because I thought it was probably gonna be a my favorite foundation.
And she's like buffing it in.
A lot of people ask me why don't I color for
streaky. Let me just had it in. Y'all like my new shirt, by the way? I got this from Forever 21. It was on sale for like $5, but they were having a 50% off of all sale items in Forever 21. They were having that sale like a week ago, so I literally got this shirt for like $2. Okay, we got the foundation on. Let me press play.
It was one of their new shades that they launched last year. You guys remember when I did a video about that? So I've actually been using hazelnut as...
Okay, so this concealer is like the same color as her skin. So I'm gonna take this concealer. It's a little darker, and she's like putting it around her mouth and her upper lip because she's dark in those areas, and because it's preventing creasing around my mouth. And my upper lip area. Now she's taking Radiant Creamy Concealer and she's putting it under her eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna take Tarte Shape Tape and Tan Sand.
Two shades up for me in Radiant Creamy is caramel, and I find caramel just a little too bright. The only time I use caramel is on top of another color to brighten it just.
I'm literally almost out of this. I'm crying tears. What the hell?
Just as I'm literally gonna add like 3 dots. That's it.
Okay, then she's putting a lighter concealer in the middle of that. I'm going to take Tarte Shape Tape in Light Sand, and I'm going to put that in the middle. Oh my god, I'm like getting shit everywhere. She put it like all the way up here. My forehead's already big. I know she lets hers sit for a little bit.
I grabbed a bunch of new shades. I was like, you better give me. I just see dark colors. I want all of them. Walnut is new. I know every shade, so walnut definitely screamed out at me. So I grabbed this one, which actually looks like it's gonna. That's just how I am. That's just what I'm doing anyway. Truffle is a new shade. It's got a pretty unique undertone. They have a lot of varying shades. It's not a bad thing. I know a lot of. It's like a nice little happy radiant creamy family. I usually match my foundations to my neck. So a lot of times people think that the perimeter of my face is darker, and because a lot of times
oh crap, she's cream contouring. Okay, pause. I gotta go get my cream contour thingy. Hold on. Let me blend this out first. For cream contour, I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Girl Concealer in Dark Cocoa. If you have been subscribed to me on YouTube for any length of time, and this is my fave. How does she do it? She like puts dots. Wait. Like this around her cheeks. Dots on her forehead like this. Like this.
so now one color all over the face.
And then she's blending it out with a brush. Shit.
And you know what? No matter how long I leave this on, it's still gonna be blendable. I know this is what y'all been waiting for, but now with my beauty blender, I'm pushing that concealer under my eye, Radiant Creamy, that's and nice and hydrated. On water, Radiant Creamy concealer really do be having me looking like I take my probiotics, like all of it. Feel me? Just look so fresh. All right, so I'm gonna take a little bit of my beauty green flower powder.
No, you're not, because I'm not done. I never realized how hard it is to follow a makeup tutorial. What the hell? This shit is hard. She's setting her eyes. And she's baking.
My upper lip area, just set it with powder. The same thing for my smile line. That actually seems to be helping me with smile lines a lot more. I hope y'all are ready for me to get some color. Because I got some color for.
And she says she's baking, so I'm going to put a little excess under there. Because she says she's going to bake. I personally do not bake. Personally. But she baked, so I'm baking. She set her smile lines. She set her upper lip. It looks like she did her brows off camera. So I'm gonna do my brows off camera. I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so I did my eyebrows and then I primed off camera. I primed my eyes. Okay, she is talking about eyeshadow and I'm not there. Okay, so she's taking a fuchsia color and she's putting it on the outer part of her crease and then working it into the crease. So I'm going to take this shade Love Letter. That's the closest. And she's using like a lot of products. So I'm going to get some product. She also has like a way different eye shape than me. So like I'm praying that this comes out okay. But I'm going to try to do what she did. So she like put it on the outer corner and then she like feathered it in. Okay, so she's taking a mauve color and working it around the crease. So she's taking a mauve color and working it around the crease area. So I'm going to take Bon Fresco. That's this color. Oh shit. That's this color right here. I'm gonna take that and work it around that burgundy color. I mean that purple color I just laid down. I don't have a shimmery color like that. Hold on, let me see. It is Venetian red right here. So I'm just gonna dip my brush in it, and I think she tucks it in the waterline.
Short shader brush. Start working that along my bottom lash line. It's just so hard getting colors to actually show up on my bottom lash line. Like honestly, between having.
Okay, so she took like a dark purple sparkly color and put it on her lid. Okay, the closest I could find was this Burano color in my Juvia's Place Saharan palette. Let me put this on my lid first. This brush, because this is not giving me what I wanted to give me at all. Okay, that's better. It's like gonna have to do because right now that's all we got. So far, I don't know how good of a job we're doing. I feel like hers looks better. Hers looks better than mine. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna look at a glitter. Boom. So I do have a fuchsia color glitter. I have this one. Hold on. Can you see it? I'm gonna take this MAC Mixing Medium Gel. And you literally need the tiniest amount of this shit. Yeah, she put it like directly like in the center but kind of into the lid as well. But the reason that she didn't do that is because she doesn't have small lids. I on the other hand have like microscopic lids. Because hers looks really intense and mine doesn't look nearly as intense.
Makes applying glitter so much easier. I'm also mixing in this color here, so I used the bright pink first, and then I went in with the mid-tone purple, put them right on top of each other. I'm gonna throw on some lily lashes, guys.
Okay, so she's putting on a lash. Let me get my lashes. If you don't know, to put on lashes, I always use bonding glue. I don't like lash glue. It doesn't ever do what I want it to do. Bonding glue is where it's at. Okay, and it looks like she dusted her bake off. So let me dust off my bake. Let me just... I don't have a liquid blush. Okay. Pause. I do not have a freaking liquid blush. Okay, so... Not cool! Fuck. She has mascara on her bottom lashes too. Oh, she skipped so many things. Totally skipped mascara on her bottom lashes. So let me put some on my bottom lashes. Blush, I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in Feisty. I didn't want to use one too dark because I'm super light skinned and it's gonna look a hot ass mess. I don't have that, but I'm gonna use the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold because it's her highlighter is pretty gold, so I'm gonna use a gold one.
Then go back to Royal Highness. This is a really pretty like lavender taupe color. Go right feeling so like extravagant with today's look. I'm gonna take extra sauce.
I'm gonna put some bronzer on. I literally look so dead. I'm putting on the Clinique O2 Sun-Kissed bronzer because I look fucking crazy. I was wondering why I looked like weird. I don't have no damn bronzer on. How you just gonna skip bronzer? Jackie, this isn't even a whole tutorial. What the hell? I'm really shook that she skipped the whole part because I've watched some of her other tutorials. Like, I've watched so many of her tutorials, bro, and I've never, like, I've seen her use, like, fucking bronzer and contour and shit. So, what the fuck? And then, oh, she also put her highlight in her inner corner. So, let me do that, too. She skipped, like, so many things, and it's really fucking me up. She's taking a really red liquid lipstick. So I'm gonna take the only red lipstick that I fucking own, and I'm gonna put that on my face. Alright, let me spray some setting spray. Alright, I'm gonna go throw on a wig. I'll be right back. Alright, everybody, that's it for today's fucking train wreck, because that's what this was, a whole ass train wreck. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys did watch this video, if you guys liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated. If you guys want to see me do more video challenges, please let me know in the comments what challenges you want me to do or whatever. Yeah, I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I mean, the look came out cute. Like, it's not ugly. It's just, I don't like it on me. And it looks way cuter on her. But, you know, like, it's cute. Like, it's cute. I just don't like it on me. But it's cute, though. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my socials. They're always linked down below. Thank you so much for kicking it with a broke girl. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.